Welcome back everybody, I'm back for almost 1 year what I made my last video. Today I will present brand new PCP airguns from Czech Republic and Czech producer AirMaks Arms, their model Caiman and Caiman X. I will also make a review for new caliber gun cricket, the second generation, Airgun Leishi, caliber gun Argus, and we have also some news from Taipan veteran. They have new CZ long range barrel, magazine holders and many accessories, so subscribe if you are interested and let's check this beauty. Today we'll speak about brand new PCP AirMaks Arms model Caiman. It comes with the solid air rifle bag. Inside you will find the rifle. There is a filling goose with the filling probe. It's similar, for example, with Vulcan or Uragan from Airgun technology. It comes with two magazines. One is already in the rifle. The magazines are really great. I will speak about them later. There are some spare O-rings and also the manual. So let's introduce shortly this rifle. To be honest, when I saw this model for the first time on the photos, I was very skeptical. I have to say I didn't like the design, but when I have it now in my hands in real time, they surprise me really well. Yeah, the rifle fits extremely well. I can check really easily and fast. So the design is great. It's one of the most compact bullpup what I know on the market. If you see the design, it's very similar to the Ataman BP17 model. The producer of this rifle works for many companies and now he wants to establish their own company, AirMaks Arms, and produce their first product. The wooden stock is almost all over the rifle, and this should be the only similar thing with the Ataman, but everything else is different. If we check the specification from manual, the overland is 57 centimeters, the longer version has 69 centimeters. The weight is 2.5 kilograms, so it's really lightweight, and 3 kilograms on the longer version, which I will show you later. The barrel length is 40 centimeters, it's CZ barrel with choked and twist rate 450. The longer version has 52 centimeters long barrel with the same choke and same twist rate. The maximum pressure is 300 bars. The pressure gauge is on the left side under the barrel, and the filling is from the opposite side. Really easy to reach. The magazine, this rifle is produced in 3 calibers, 177, 22 and 25. You have 12 shots with 177 caliber, 10 shots in 22 caliber and 8 shots in 25 caliber. It has also UIT rail from the bottom side to attach a bipod. First you have to attach adapter, then you can attach a bipod. Like I said, it has Weaver rail, 22 millimeters, side lever for cocking. The side lever works really smooth. It has at the first glance I thought that there is a hidden filling probe, but it will not make any sense to put the filling probe here because of it can be dangerous. Yeah? You can get some mess inside, so it's just the safety. If you have safety on, you are not able to take the rifle. And if you close your rifle, push safety. The safety looks really solid. It's a very easy mechanism, but it's working really well. The next thing is adjustable butt plate, of course. I know that the rifle comes in 10 joules for transport. You can adjust the power from the bottom side, and I think the power limit will be very similar to other rifles, yeah, for each caliber. So in 22 calibers you should get around 40 joules, in 25 calibers around 60, maybe 70 joules. It depends on the market and on the regulation. In the end of the barrel there is a special silencer block, which can be, here you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, the end of the barrel and the internal silencer part. External silencer is connected with several diaphragmas, and the best thing about this is that you can purchase the diaphragmas separately, so you can increase the silencer and the effectivity. It's already, I'm not sure if the one of the most quiet, but I don't have air inside, so I cannot test it here. But if you want to make sure that it's not so noisy, and just increase the silencer here. Yeah, when we speak about magazines, they have brand new system. It's full metal with spring. They are really solid. Everything with the gloves. For me, great feature is when you shoot last pellets. In other rifles you are not able to cock the lever back because it's blocked by the magazine. Here you can easily cock it. The advantage is if you are done with shooting, you have to remove the magazine and put it to your pocket or anywhere else. With this model you can keep it inside, so you will not lose it. Yeah. It can be a disadvantage also. If you will shoot last pellets, then you will reload and shoot without the pellets. But it's very individual, and for me it's a great feature. So for me it's the advantage. See if the roll works properly. After some times I didn't have chance to shoot because it's rainy for a long time here, so we will see later. Now I will show you different types of the stocks, because they produce it in wooden and laminate stocks, and also the longer version. Before I show you the versions of the laminate stocks, there is also included a special part to empty the air tank. I forgot to say it with what is included in packing, yeah, so this tool is also included. So now if we will compare the short version and the longer one, you can see the difference. I hope that you can see it. Everything remains the same, just the length of the barrel is different. Maybe the air tank capacity also, I will have to check it. So they produce it in a walnut wooden stock. Then we have a classic beach stock, which is very similar to the stocks from the Cometa company from Spain. I'm not sure if they produce it there, but it looks so. But it's simple, but it looks good for me. This is the longer version, Caiman X. Next we have a black wooden. At the first glance I thought that it's plastic stock, but it's wood. It's wooden stock, just covered in a black matte finish. What I also forgot to say, if you are left-handed or right-handed shooters, the side lever can be easily switched. It takes about 5 minutes, it's completely described in the manual, so you can switch it from the left side to the right side. So it's suitable for both right-handed and left-handed shooters. So this is the black stock. And now we have some laminate. This is dark brown with green. I hope you can see the design. And last I have here the green laminate. There is also a green laminate what I will show you in the picture, because I'm not able to have it here with me right now, but the stocks are good looking for me. The best version is maybe the walnut beige and the green one, which I will show you here. But it's also very individual thing. So I hope that I will have chance to test it and shoot some pellets with it. It should work really well on 50, 60, 70 meters, so I'm very excited. Like I said, I will make reviews on the new caliber gun cricket, caliber gun Argus, the Airgun Leishi 2nd generation, and also some news about Taipan Veteran and their accessories. So if you are interested, please subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.